The new Disney Animatronics are insane! Disney has just revealed some of the animatronics for the upcoming Tiana's Bayou adventure, and they are unlike any animatronics the park has ever used. The detail and movement are super lifelike. And I'm excited to see what other characters are created for the ride. Disney's first official animatronics were featured in the classic Jungle Cruise ride. Fun fact, they actually originally wanted to use real-life animals for that ride, but they ended up using animatronics instead. Just look at this side by side of the newest animatronics and these from the Carousel Progress attraction. The improvement is incredible! For more theme park news and updates, be sure to subscribe to Come Along with Shaun. See us soon!